Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by identifying your TV inputs and the Android box outputs. Older TVs usually have composite RCA ports, yellow video and red-white audio. If your box only has HDMI use, an HDMI to AV converter rated for 1080p, choose a converter with power input and a 2-meter cable for flexibility. Also check for a 3.5mm audio output option on your box. Buy basic RCA cables and label connections to avoid confusion during setup. Keep the original 8. Place the Android box near the TV and close to a power outlet. Use the box power adapter rated 5V2A or the manufacturer specification. Connect HDMI into converter, then plug RCA cables into the TV color matched. Turn on the TV and select the composite or AV input using the remote. Power the box and watch for a boot logo or animation. If the picture looks stretched, set the box display to 720p or 480i. Use the box settings to reduce overscan and match the TV frame precisely. Pair the remote by holding OK and Home for 6 seconds until LED blinks. Connect to Wi-Fi in settings and enter your password using the on-screen keyboard. Install streaming apps from the built-in store like YouTube or Netflix. Run system update in About to improve stability and add codecs. For audio issues, connect external speakers to the TV or use Bluetooth pairing. If the box freezes, reboot by unplugging power for 10 seconds, then reconnect. Factory reset in settings only when necessary, since it erases apps and data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.